Hi, I'm Dr. Clark with a smart tip for what you should eat after a workout. Post-workout snacks have a big impact on how your body uses insulin. Instead of munching on junk food after you exercise, refuel with a handful of nuts. Lean protein or some healthy fats can make your body more insulin sensitive. This means your body can absorb and use blood sugar more effectively. The more insulin sensitive you are, the less likely you are to develop diabetes. In one study, carb-rich post-workout meals like pasta, bread, chips had a negative effect on exercisers' blood sugar. Their muscle cells refilled with glycogen, a sugar-based fuel, which may reduce insulin sensitivity. Researchers determined that the best post-workout meals include healthy fats and proteins. Physical activity is great for preventing blood sugar problems and can cut your risk of diabetes by as much as 30%. Take it to the next level by eating smart after you break a sweat.